Hey, my name is Hatter with NYC Marketers. This video is for Broad Street Plumbing, Sewer, and Drain. I've made the short video in which I'll explain 3 things you guys can do today to bring in more customers to your business. If you like what you see, by the end of the video, shoot me a message and we can chat. So I'll get right into it. I'll keep the video short and sweet. And the 3 things I'm going to be talking about will be content, citations, and backlinks. As you can see, I'm on the home page of your website right now. And when I say content, I mean anything that's on this home page. That'll be pictures, the words, if you have any videos, all that stuff. So to be looked up by Google, what Google really likes is content in terms of words. So you want to have at least 1,500 or more words on this home page right here, which will be keyword rich and really targeted to your market. And secondly, I'll give you a free tip. How the pictures are saved and what's behind them will also help you rank as well. Let me give you an example. So if I try to save this picture, I'll see what's saved as. Yeah, it says pick one. That's not really going to do anything for you. You'd rather have it with your business name, New York City, in other words, which will actually help this picture rank and consequently help your website get up there too. So the second thing I want to talk about is going to be citations. And I just did a quick little search for heating and air conditioning and plumbing in New York City, just to show you what comes up on Google and how customers actually see it. So first thing you'll notice is this top section right here. This is called the Google Guaranteed. This is a paid service with Google in where a business has to go through a verification process with them, and once they go and are approved, they're allowed to advertise right here. It's a really good service and it gives really good leads to the business as well. After this, we move down to this section right here, which is called the traditional Google Ads section. It's a pretty hit or miss right now in 2020 because a lot of people skip over these due to bad prior experiences, and also to the fact that they have ad blockers and they will not see these ads. But apart from all that, businesses still use this, and if it's done properly, it can generate good leads as well. Moving down, we go to this section, which is called the Map Pack, which I'll explain what a citation is in this part. A citation is basically anywhere on the web where you can put in your business information, such as your name, address, and phone number. So that's exactly what we see right here: name, address, phone number, also like hours of operation, links to the website. This is a really good spot to be at, especially in the top 3 spots. Customers see this on the desktop of their computer, on their phones, and it's a really good spot for people to be on, businesses rather. After that, we move down to this section right here. This is called the organic section, and here you will find the websites or businesses which have outrank and beat out the competitors to make it to the first page of the Google searches. And this is where you want the company to be at to get the most search results and most traffic. And in between all these, you'll probably notice stuff like Angie's List, Home Advisor, Yelp, Expertise.com. These are called directories. They're going to be everywhere, and they also help generate citations as well. Third and last thing I'm going to talk about today will be backlinks. So backlink is basically any website out there which is giving a link to your website and potentially driving traffic to you, as well as keywords as well. So I'll show you a tool I use. This is called Ahrefs. It's a really neat tool. It's a paid service. They buy their data directly from Google. As you can see, I've typed in your company's website right here, and it tells me information that I need to assess the performance of the website. So what I can see right now is that you guys have 9 referring domains to you, giving you 13 backlinks, but they're not giving you any keywords, and at the moment you're not getting any traffic to your website, any people visiting the website. Now to put this into context for you, I'll show you another top competitor in New York City and how their numbers look like right here. As you can see, it's a really big difference. They got a completely different marketing strategy going on. And I'll just run the numbers: 711 referring domains, 3,100 backlinks, almost 27,000 keywords, and they're getting at least 26,000 people to their website every single month. That's organic traffic. This is where you want to be headed towards. Let me go back to yours right now. Now to boost these numbers and make them go into the thousands is definitely very doable, and we specialize in that, as well as we specialize in the website design, the keywords, the content, all the things I mentioned to you today. So with a good strategy and implementation, you can take a website really high and rank it really high in Google as well. So I told you I'll keep the video short and sweet. That's all I had for you today. I really hope you found this video to be educational. If you want to know more on how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, please give me a call. I'd love to chat. If not, no worries. Take the free tips I've given you today. I just ask if you would please give me some feedback on this video and how I did. With that, thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day.